Okay, guys, so I was looking at your class kick as you were working on it in class yesterday, and hopefully you were seeing the feedback that I was giving some of you. And hopefully on that first problem that you had to make a factor tree for, you watched the video to help you. What I noticed is that a lot of you guys are completing the factor tree, kind of like this one right here. Y'all are finding the correct numbers to put, but y'all are forgetting to write it out in the prime factorization form. Okay, so let me review with you how to do that, because that's how you'll see it on like your DCP or the STAR. They're probably not going to give you a tree like this on DCP or STAR. Okay, we use the tree as a tool to get to the final answer. So you guys need to be able to make the tree and get to the final answer. So looking at this one, we would have the numbers that are circled. That's what we're going to look at, because those are all of our prime numbers. Okay, we broke 90 down all the way to the prime numbers. What is the smallest number that is circled? 2. So we're going to start with 2. Then times, what's the next smallest number? 3. And then the next smallest number? Well, we have another 3, so we have to include that. And then finally, we have the 5. So all I did was I took these numbers right here, the prime numbers, and I wrote it out in multiplication form. Now, we've learned how to do exponents. So now we're going to write it using exponents, okay? Because really you could see it either of these ways. So I'm going to write the number 2. I only have 1 2, so I can just leave it as that. Now I'm going to write the number 3. How many 3s do I have? 1 2. If I have 2 of the 3s, I can put an exponent, because 3 to the power of 2 really just means 3 times 3, right? And then we only have 1 5, so we'll leave it at that. This is the part that I'm missing, okay? This is what I noticed on your class kick that you guys are not doing. So I need you guys to make sure you go back, and first of all, you should be typing the numbers in on the class kick in the circles. That way you'll know if you're getting it right or wrong. Don't use the pen tool, okay? You should type it in so it'll turn green or red so you know if you need to fix it. Then I need you all to make sure that you write it out this way. Now, I know that pen tool is really difficult to use on class kick. So if it makes you feel better, you are more than welcome to type it out. So you could do 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay. And to put it in the other form, what might be easier, if you can figure out a way to put the exponent, that's fine. Or you could just do 2 times 3 times 5, and then use the pen tool just to draw the little exponent. Okay, and remember, you can make the sizes different, however you need to do it to make it work, because I know the pen tool is a little funky sometimes and there's not a lot of space. Remember, you can also write it down on paper and use the camera tool to take a picture and post it on your slide on class kick. Okay, but make sure, this is the most important part. Make sure you have this. Okay, thank you.